If being an adult is hard, then being a parent can be the definition of difficult at times. When it comes to money, parenting and finances can often go head to head in a battle for healthy choices. When teaching children about finances, it often takes time and effort, much like cooking a healthy, nutritious meal. Just like nutrition, there is a lot of advice out there about how to make a financially healthy home. Consider starting your children in KiwiSaver early. Teach your children about money and get them involved in a saving and spending plan. Like a recipe, seeing it out in front of you will help you see what it will all look like at the end. Much easier than if you were to chuck all the ingredients in a pot and hope for the best. It's all about setting a good example for your children. Getting the right financial advice will let your children see parents who are confident in their finances. Ultimately, you'll be able to help navigate them through to having a healthy relationship with money. Good work, honey. It's awesome.